Hey everyone, this is Dan. I have a couple of people ask me about how to connect their laptop to the Ethernet using that narrow gigabit Ethernet slot. So let's take a look at how to do that in this short video clip. So here is our E15 laptop. Nice little unit here. You can see on this end we've got USB ports, the power, and the HDMI and headphones. But on the other end is where we're having some issues. And let's take a look here. That's the Ethernet connector there. There's another USB port here. But this Ethernet connection looks too narrow to accept an Ethernet connector such as this. But you can actually get that to plug in there. And it just kind of pries down. Now the issue is getting it out. And so I'm going to recommend that you put pressure in that direction as you press up on this little release clip. Also pry in that direction and you should get it out, no problem. So that's prying up, sort of like prying up, and at the same time as you push on this clip. And yes, I do not have a manicurist. And if you have questions, just call tech support or email tech support and we'll get to it.